Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue our requirement analysis video for episode number 90. But you would be wondering why he is doing requirement analysis video, as today we talked about Aachen University of Master of Communication and Technology. Application was open until September 30. Why he is not doing application video? Because I went and checked the university website of Faculty of Electrical Engineering Computer Science for University of Ulm for computational or communication and information technology. Here in the information for applicants, I have get to know the application for EU nationals with German education degree is with campus portal. This campus portal is open until September 30, but for non-EU you have to apply via UniAssist, and I have been into UniAssist and check the information or information about communication and information technology. Here it says the course of study is currently not open for application for winter semester 2025-2026. So it's already closed. So usually if the application is with UniAssist, then usually the maximum time you can apply is July 15th. And then if you are a new EU nationals with German degree, then you can apply with campus portal. Then you can use the September 30th as a deadline, but as of now for us it is already done. July 15th was the deadline. And before continuing today, I just wanted to tell you we will do our 90th college or 90th requirement analysis, where after this we will left with only 19 more. And today we will be focusing on communication engineering in major of electrical engineering and information technology in RWTH Aachen University. So we will be focusing on communication engineering requirements analysis. Then if you are seeing me for the first time, you don't know about this channel, then in this channel we make videos about German University, about the requirements, how to get to know the German University, what are the courses that they usually teach in all German universities, and which are the courses that are you are interested based on the requirements we do. Then what is the deadline, where to apply. After getting to know all this, when deadline is on, then we will also show you how to apply for that particular college. These are the things that we teach here. Then if you still need one-on-one session with me, if you want me to apply for you, then you can always contact me. Then we can also schedule one-on-one session with you. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video, our 90th requirement analysis video. Whenever we do the requirement analysis, I just go through overview, course detail, online learning, cost and fundings, requirements and registration. In the overview, you can just see the degree. It's Master of Science in Electrical Engineering and Information Technology. Course location is in Aachen. Teaching language is in English. Then languages, the degree program is taught in English. If the modules are taught in different language, this is indicated the corresponding module catalog. So if some modules are taught in German, then they would have mentioned in the course catalog when you are registering. This is completely in English, this is completely in German. Okay, then examination also can be taken in English, but on agreement you can also check for another language, which you can also write your exam. Full-time, part-time, it is only possible full-time, there is no part-time possible. Then mode of study is full-time on-site, voluntary online elements. So this voluntary online elements depends on the professor. If he is okay to put the recordings in the online portal, then it is fine for you. Otherwise it is not possible. Then program duration is 4 semester. Beginning of semester is both winter and summer semester. Application deadline, non-EU people, is from 1st March to following winter semester is the deadline, and EU applicants is the 15th July for winter semester. And we are focusing as of now also for non-EU, because we majorly make video for non-EU people. So 1st March is for winter semester, and non-EU 1st September is the summer semester. So it ended this month starting for summer semester 2026. So we have already missed the deadline, but we will make sure this is in our Excel sheet. Then we will also apply for winter semester when the application starts. So usually if the application is ending in 1st March, usually application might start in January or February or January 15th, like that. Then tuition fees is none. Combined master degree is also not possible. Joint degree is also not possible. Important notice, so whenever a person is doing electrical engineering information technology, he can do the core subjects. Whenever he do this communication engineering, he will be doing his core subjects in estimation of detection theory, mobile radio network 1, principle of design communication system and networks, RF systems, and we can also check for the communication, what expect in brief, what are the things you will be learning, and with learning all these skills, which industry you can focus on. So you will be learning importance about mathematical fundamentals, modulation, detection, wave propagation, communication mediums are like electromagnetic, opticals, then receiver and transmitter design, antenna design, VLSI, DSP, speech, video, data streams, data pre-processing, data post-processing, all these things you will be learning. Then in the course details, you can just see the master degree is divided into 120 ECTS. So most of the curriculum is comprises of large of laboratory work, project work, and seminar, in addition to the selection possible course that comprises from all other master degree program offered by the faculty. So this would be your electives. Though for clear picture, you can also look at this particular chart. So this was also same for electrical engineering IT, for biomedical engineering, which we did for RWTH Aachen. So here you can just see you will start from your elective courses and core combined for 40 credit points, which is in light blue or dark blue, and in internship seminar you will be doing 4 credit points. Industrial internship you will do 18 credit points. Then additional is 12 credit points. This will be courses from open elective. Then courses from general 8 credit points, seminar 4 credit points, project and laboratory 4 credit points. After doing all these things, you will be done with your 90 credit points. Then at the orange one, the master thesis, which is major, we will be doing for 1 complete semester for 30 credit points. This is how your 120 ECTS is divided. Then at the finishing of your degree, you will get your diploma supplement issued. Then training elements, training intercultural skills, international guest lecture, language training program provided. So these are the international elements that usually all university provides. Then integrated internship, there is no integrated internship, but students are required to complete an integrated internship. There is a mandatory integrated internship. Student is required to finish 18 weeks of internship, but usually 18 weeks is less. So usually if you go and approach a company, they usually give it for 6 months. So I suggest you guys to do it complete 6 weeks, which is 24 weeks, 6 months. So then you can also take overlap semester 2 or continue the same internship topic for your thesis. Then it is a continuity. Then special programs, the other Erasmus, then other things you can just see here. Online learning, as we talked about, there will be instructor led. So it will decided from the professor if he is okay to give the recordings to the online platform. If yes, then you will get that. If no, then you have to attend, because there will be mandatory attendance in some colleges. Then cost and funding, tuition fees is none. There is no tuition fees, but you need to pay the semester contribution. So after paying semester contribution, as of now, you are getting the Deutschland Stipendium, or you will be getting Deutschland ticket. So with this Deutschland ticket, you can travel complete Germany without any extra ticket in regional bonds. But once this Deutschland ticket is closed, say example, then with this 300 euros, you will also get a student ticket for NRW state, where you can travel complete state, because Aachen lies in NRW. Then cost of living is estimated around 1,100, 900 to 1,000 is the usual budget. So you need to have a minimum income of 992 per month. So this would be anyway blocked in first year with your blocked account before you going to visa interview. So 1 year you will set. So before next year visa extension, you need to have your any of the part-time jobs there or money to show the visa authority. Then distribution of content, whenever you need a funding opportunity, then you can also check in this particular link where you will have so many funding opportunity. But usually in all college they will have Deutschland Stipendium, where you will get 300 euros per month for everyone who get a scholarship. Then requirements and registration, this is the major thing. In order to apply for this particular degree, you need to have a bachelor degree in engineering equivalent academic degree at an international recognized university. Then the basic study should be filled with these requirements and requirements listed below. Okay, you need to have at least 28 ECTS in advanced mathematics. Okay, 10 ECTS is physics, electronics device, 34 ECTS in fundamental electronics circuit design, 8 ECTS in informatics programming, 10 ECTS in fundamentals of control and mathematics, 10 ECTS in advanced electromagnetic, and 20 ECTS in application oriented courses. So being an electrical engineer, I can just say these all criteria would be matched if you have done electrical engineering, electronics telecommunication, electronics communication, or information technology, or mostly electrical related fields. So if you are an electrical engineering, electronics communication engineer, then this course for you, you can apply without any hesitation. This is one requirements. How you prove you have all these ECTS? You need to upload a module handbook. Okay, then in addition to that, you need to also upload GRE, because GRE is mandatory for RWTH Aachen. Then conditional admits are also possible. If requirements are not fulfilled, then you will get a chance, conditional admit, go there and finish the requirement, then start the studies. Then you need to have an English language certificate, where you need to have IELTS 5.5 is the thing. Then we also know the non-EU applicants deadline is 1st March for winter semester, non-EU 1st September is summer semester. Then you need to apply in their particular online application. This is the requirements and registration. Services: once a person got a admission, then he will go and apply for visa. So then he will be awarded as student visa. With this student visa, one can work 140 full days to 80 half days, which is technically like 20 hours a week. You can work as a part-time and 40 hours a week as full-time. Then you can do either 6 months of full internship or 1 year of full work student, depending upon your things. Then you can also find a average room accommodation inside student dorm, which will vary from 210 euros to 750 euros depending on the room size. But I suggest you to live in student dorm, which is cheap and worthy. These are the services. Then about the university, if you still need to get to know, is it RWTH is a good university, then please check out. But I can say RWTH is one of the recognized university, and it is usually placed 3rd in most of the German universities. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, it will be always in 3rd. And in world ranking also, it is like upper, below 100, below 200. So it's a very famous and good university. So these are the things I just wanted to mention you guys in this particular video today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So see you in next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.